Guys, this Ayotee scrub brush for cleaning is a game changer. I promise you it will make the perfect gift for your loved ones. So definitely check them out. You will love it. And if you're a cleaner, you'd appreciate it. So guys, here I am showing you everything that comes in the box. In total, I believe I'll get about 11 pieces, and the instruction manual that shows you everything. Super simple to put together, and everything's there. Super easy to use. Promise you won't regret the purchase. Tells you all the different parts and the instructions and how to put it together, and instruction for use, the charging method and all of that, safety precautions. So pretty simple. Put it up to fit it together for you guys. So you have this piece, which is the corner brush for corners and rough cleaning. So it looks like you have the umbrella brush, and this one is for large area cleaning. You have this flat brush for floor or wall cleaning. So I guess this can be used in the shower. So guys, along with the pieces I just showed you, it also comes with this brush right here. I'm not sure what this is for, but we'll figure it out as we go along. You got these two microfiber cloth thing, and this white one. You got a USB card to charge it, and the adapter part. So this is used to charge it, and then you get this piece and this piece to attach to it. So now we're gonna connect it up and test it out, guys. Okay. So you just assume so to connect it, you just attach this one to this one, push, turn it on. Oh wow, how cool. So, and it snaps in like that. Turn it off, and you just press this button to start it. I didn't know, just one press. You see that again? Oh, and you can change speed. I believe that was 3 speed, and to turn it off, you just long press for a couple seconds and it turns off. And so you're gonna connect this. And just like that, it's on. And one press down. Now, oh, this is the charging port, guys. works right on. This product, so guys, I absolutely love. The installation was super simple. It only comes with two separate parts for the handle to connect, and it's super easy to connect. You just, to disconnect it, you just press this down and pull it up, and 1 2 3, it's disconnected. To charge it, the charging port is right here. So guys, I absolutely love the product. For me, one of the hardest chores to do is to clean the bathtub, because I hate constantly bending down and just feel like I'm breaking my back. So I love the fact that this has a handle, so I'm not bending over and I'm just standing there, and it just does the work for me. I don't have to be scrubbing. I will show you what I normally use, and whenever I clean the bathroom, I do not do workout. Like, I get a full-on workout from just scrubbing the walls. This, on the other hand, it does the work for you. Just one push of a button, it does the work for me. So I ain't gotta worry about that. As I said, super. You just twist and you just pull and remove it. So it's easy to change the heads in between. Just lock, and it doesn't move. It doesn't move. If you want to turn it off, you just long press this button for 3 to 5 seconds and it's off. To turn it on, you can change the speed. You just tap it and it press it and it changes speed. And as I said before, guys, it does the work for you, so you don't have to be scrubbing or bending your back, because it does the work for you. And I love that this little mini one gets in between the cribbage and the corner, and this one cleans rough surface, and this one you can use on the for the floors. As you can see, I showed you how I use it in the tub. So I absolutely love it, guys. I highly recommend you try it. If you're like me and you hate cleaning the bathroom, definitely go ahead and give this a try. You won't regret it. Christmas is now the holiday season, and I'm telling you guys, this will make a perfect Christmas gift for your loved one or even a friend. I'm telling you, whoever does the house chores, they will appreciate this.